Now let's move on to our typing animation for each of the users that are currently typing in a given channel. We'll create a typing component within our messages folder, where first we'll import React. This will be a stateless functional component, where we'll have a typing div, a div with the class of typing, which will contain 3 divs with the class of typing __ dot. At the end, we'll export our typing component, and then at the bottom of app.css, we'll create a new area for our typing component, where first we'll have a user typing class where font style will be set to italic, the font weight will be bold, and it'll have a margin right of 3 pixels. So this will be the text next to our animation. The typing class will have a width of 5 ems, a height of 2 ems, a position of relative, padding of 10 pixels, margin left 5 pixels, a background with the hex code E6, 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 a border radius of 20 pixels, and our typing dot class will be floated to the left. We'll have a width of 8 pixels, a height of 8 pixels, a margin of 0 and 4 pixels, and a background color of 8D8C91, a border radius of 50%, an opacity of 0, and we'll create an animation with the name loading fade. It'll be 1 second and it'll be an infinite animation. We're going to select the first typing dot class with the nth child selector. We'll select the first typing dot by passing that a 1. It will have an animation delay of 0. The second typing dot class will have a delay of 0.2 seconds, and the third delay of 0.4 seconds. So the animation for each dot will be slightly offset. To create our animation, we'll add an @ keyframes with the name of loading fade. At 0%, the opacity of the animation will be 0. At 50%, we'll have an opacity of 0.8. And at 100%, it'll go back to 0. So now in our messages component, we'll make sure to import our typing component from /typing, and then to display it, just to preview this, we'll go within our comment group, where we'll create a span with the class name of user __ typing, and just as some sample text, we'll say Douglas is typing. Include the typing component to the right hand side, and we'll wrap both the span and the typing component with a div with the style prop with the style rules display set to flex, align items set to center, and this will center our span and our typing component along the y-axis. So now you can see the text and our typing animation. So this is what will be shown for any user that's typing within the same channel that we're currently in.